This goes out to all my customers waiting for their car to come to the shop to be built. I'm showing you the reason why you're not here yet. This is the only spot I have in the shop for a car right now. That's burnout from the truck. Anyways, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I lost count already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 Mustangs. 7 RSs. 8 RSs. Got a Fiesta. Our Fiesta, which will probably never be back together again. Some sort of stupid drift car. And another Fiesta. So we can make room, make probably one more here, but we like to walk around. But yeah, this one's done. Made $560. That one's for sale. Just going over the engine and everything. It had a old rear main seal, so we're doing updated rear main seal in it. This one is ready for tuning, hitting the dyno tomorrow. It's got our sweet bumper on it. If you guys missed my post, we put this bumper on cars that come here. That's why this one also doesn't have a bumper on it. So it's just one less thing for the transport driver to have to worry about, you know, damaging a front bumper. So we just have a customer take them off, come to us with no bumper, and then we stick this one on it for break-in and dyno tuning and driving on the street, all that good stuff. So sweet bumper with $500 carbon fiber fog light covers. But this one's ready for the dyno. This one goes to the dyno on Thursday. This one's done and ready to go. It's for sale. Hopefully be sold again for the 3rd time, because everybody keeps failing on getting financing because they're broke. And that one just got dropped off today, so that's getting one of our short blocks. And I believe this has an NX2 on it, or an NX2's going on it. Lost track, there's so many. This is our built block, our built head. A 6266 ball bearing precision on a CPE kit. Port injection for 85. That's customer's car. We previously tuned this one, but they had somebody else work on it, killed it, put it back together themselves, came to us, and they did not machine the block flat. So now we're rebuilding it. So it'll be done right. So this was a 600 horsepower car, so it'll be another 600 horsepower car again. This one is for sale, but also sold. We're just waiting for the head to be done with that one so we can put it together. And then this is a 1,000 horsepower Mustang that we're doing. Just waiting for the custom dowels I had machined for the block to come in, which actually they're here. So we just need to assemble the engine, put it all in, and then it goes to the fabricator so we can build a custom 4-port turbo manifold. Besides that, that's getting just a stock engine going back in it. Doesn't have the time to be waiting on it anymore. Fiesta blocks are a huge pain in the ass for us. We're still in the middle of R&D on them, and that is the car that's getting our first Fiesta block. So it was done. It got delivered to us from the machine shop on Friday, but we found an issue with it, so we sent it back. It'll be back tomorrow, so we can start assembling this week, and then hopefully get this thing back up and running within the next 2 weeks, tuned and ready to go. It's getting a GTX 2860 kit, and I believe he has XDI pump and Bosch injectors, I think. I have to check. But anyways, 400 horsepower track car, basically. The block for this is the same exact one that we did for this one. So these are 2 R&Ds. Basically, we did all the R&D and it was going to go in our car, but we duplicated it and do it in this car too. But this one's going to be a stroker. It's a 1.95 stroker. The reason why I don't know when it's going to go back together is because we have to redo the whole block because the threads pulled out of the block side. So that was a machining problem, which wasn't our issue, but we'll take care of it. And that's it. We got a bunch of shelves with parts on it. These are all parts out of all these cars that are in here. So it's a fucking mess right now. But once all these cars are shipped out in like the next week, we're going to be cleaning out the whole shop, and we're going to be limiting how many cars are coming in so we can keep more space in here so it's not so tight. For now, we just pull all the cars that run out, but We don't want to have to deal with, say, we get a storm or something and we got cars outside. Like right now, this spot is for me. And if we have one more car here, that means I got to park my sweet turd of a Lambo outside, which is not going to happen. I got that too. That's the Lexus that I got hit in a semi by. And you can see where I hit the wall on the quarter panel there in the front. And the whole other side's fucked. And rally trucks out front too. I guess just go out there. By the way, I'm making this video because YouTube told me they're going to pull our monetization because we don't post enough videos. So I decided to just make some random ass video showing all these cars in our shop and a Super 73 bike with a flat tire. There's one more car. This thing gets stuck outside because I don't give a fuck about it. My rally truck, which all the stickers are being pulled off tomorrow and going to the wrap shop next door to be wrapped. And I'm gonna do all the whatever the fuck it's called, bed liner in there. I'm gonna bed line the whole back. I'm gonna have somebody fabricate and box these in so they're not just exposed, and then that's gonna get bed lined too. And then we're gonna have to paint the whole cage on the inside because it's still raw. So this all needs to be painted. We're probably gonna pull the dash out and do a new dash. I got a shifter that I need to put in here as well. I need to adjust these seats because I'm too fat and they're sitting pretty fucking weird. Yeah, cage stuff. But this is a, it's got an LS in it, CTSV. I think it's a fucking LS6 or LS2, I think. I don't fucking know. I can't remember. But it's going to get all wrapped. I don't know what color we're going to do yet, but we're going to do something that doesn't suck. And probably do some new headlights because that's sweet. But you can see it's got wide body fenders on it, or, you know, the Baja fenders, trophy truck fenders on it in the back too. Got a sick wing in the back that we're going to redo. We're going to wrap this piece as well. And this piece will be wrapped a different color, and then this is going to have like a logo going across it and shit. And I got to get these snow tires off here. It's on Blizzax. So yeah, it's another car that's just here and sitting around. And then I got my gay car over here. Maybe I'll drive that for once today. It's nice out. Hey, look, it's Tesla. If you want to buy this, $265,000, come get it. Bye.